Ratchet Girls Be Like. There was this guy today and he was all up in my grill. I mean, he was like everywhere. And
in this bitch, I'm trying to get crunk. Eyebrows on fleek. The fuck?
the ratchet version. You getting way too close, so take your 2 steps back.
Smack that bitch. Smack that bitch.
Show me your mad face.
Shoulder sideways, smack it in the air. Legs move it side to side, smack it in the.
Yo, LaQuisha! Bitch, don't fucking touch me. Who the hell do you think I am?
I know I am. But what is she? So what's your name?
Shaquisha.
Wait, what?
Shaquisha.
Like, what was your mama one where she had you?
You don't think women are tough, you're full of shit. I have underwear stuck up my butt crack. I put makeup in my eyeball.
Boy, what the hell you doing? You know you whack. You ain't finna get no pussy here.
People are sending me mental health hotlines, but honey, don't worry about me. I got those numbers on speed dial.
Stop!
Never run a train, cause I believe in teamwork. And I was told the teamwork make the dream work.
Alright, I can do this. Are you kidding me?
Tell me you're doing it wrong.
I can tell!
I don't understand why y'all don't think I'm cute, because I am cute. And I remember that I read, got my hair hanging low to the floor. Got my hair hanging low and it rubble to the.
I don't know why half these damn girls are saying New Year, New Me. Y'all still got the same weed from the 99 cent store. Shut the fuck up.